In today's video, I'm going to teach you DSers versus AutoDS, which is the best dropshipping tool. If you're building a dropshipping store, the software you choose will shape how quickly you can launch, how much time you spend on busy work, and how easy it is to scale. Think of DSers and AutoDS as two different paths to the same goal. DSers emphasizes simplicity and low cost, while AutoDS leans into deep automation and multi-supplier flexibility. Let's start with DSers. DSers is best known for its strong integration with AliExpress. That means it's particularly friendly if you're new to dropshipping and want a straightforward setup with a familiar supplier marketplace. You can process many orders at once, which is great if a product takes off and you need to fulfill quickly without clicking through each order manually. It also includes supplier optimization, helping you swap to more reliable or better price sellers on AliExpress without rebuilding your listings from scratch. One of DS's biggest perks is its generous free plan that supports thousands of products. This lets you test a wide range of items without committing to high software costs. If you're in the early stages, experimenting with product market fit, optimizing your product pages and figuring out logistics, DSers keeps your expenses down while giving you essential tools to get off the ground. Now, AutoDS. AutoDS is an all-in-one automation platform designed for growth and efficiency. Instead of focusing on a single marketplace, it supports multiple suppliers, including big names like Amazon and Walmart. That variety opens up more product sources and potentially faster fulfillment options. AutoDS shines with automation. Automatic order fulfillment handles purchases for you. Price and stock monitoring helps you avoid selling out of stock items or losing margin when supplier prices change, and AI product research tools can surface promising items faster. This level of automation is ideal if you want a hands-off operation and plan to scale across more products, more suppliers, or even multiple storefronts. Keep in mind, these advanced features come with a monthly subscription and higher overall costs compared to beginner-friendly tools. So what's the key difference? Simplicity versus automation. DSers prioritizes affordability and the core features you need to start testing and selling, especially through AliExpress. AutoDS prioritizes end-to-end automation and multi-platform selling, making it better for experienced sellers or anyone ready to grow aggressively. To wrap up, choose DSers if you're just starting and want to keep costs low while you test products and learn the ropes. Choose AutoDS if you're serious about scaling and want automation that saves time, reduces manual errors, and supports multiple suppliers as you expand.